Well, hello guys. Welcome to Marigot. What are we doing today?
Well, welcome to French St. Martin here in the capital city of Marigot, our new home. And we thought we would show you one of the coolest things in our new home, which is an old fort, Fort Louis. We're going to hike up the big hill, up to the top of Fort Louis, up there.
All right. I see stairs.
Starting with the colorful stairs.
You can see there used to be some houses here until Irma, I guess. So I love it, there's artwork everywhere. Wall art, St. Martin. And they all over the place. Beautiful murals. We continue?
I usually run up this way.
There is a parking halfway up, but someone refused to park there.
Well, you have to get the
saying
full
we
experience.
should walk. Okay, the full experience.
And to show that that was right there in the center of Marigot. So anybody who comes on a cruise ship or comes and stays on the island, if you come over to the city of Marigot, you can simply walk right up those colorful steps and down this overgrown path full of these bleeding hearts. They're just starting to bloom. These vines, grasses. There's a little cemetery over there.
Oh. Huh.
And you start to get the view of the hills. And you get a little higher. And the view of downtown Marigot.
He's the fort expert. Listen to what he's saying.
This has become my regular daily routine, is to actually run from home to here and then try and run up this hill. I still can't run up this hill. It's too steep. I have to walk it at some point.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it just gets better and better as you go up. So, Fort Louis, which is of course named after Louis XVI, the last king of France. Fort Louis was finished in 1789. Surprisingly, the same year as the French Revolution began. And it was built, it just had a battery of cannons on it to protect Marigot. And then it was built because they were having trouble with the British coming over here and taking their coffee, and their rum, and their salt, and their sugar cane, which they would store in warehouses here in Marigot. Of course, then ship them over to mainland France. So they built this fort to protect those things and their trade. And it was originally wooden structure, and then it was all disbanded in 1850. then Preservation Society came along in the 1990s and fixed it back up and turned it into a tourist destination.
All right, we're getting closer. I can see walls. I'm not participating much in this conversation.
So here's the steep climb. At least we have steps. Shall I go first?
Ooh, at least there's a nice breeze today.
Check it out, that's a yellow Ponciana tree. Blooming yellow. We're used to all the red Ponciana trees. It's pretty cool. And all these big spiny things, I believe, are yuccas. They grow these really high
Ooh, shoots.
flowers way up with shoots.
We're getting closer. Ooh. We're getting up higher.
Watch your step, it's uneven rocks.
Ah, c'est bon, allez-y. Hein. Wow. Okay, so this side we're looking north. So this is Galleys Bay, where we have the water plant and like container ships, right, for the French.
Area,
yeah, industrial.
So I think the power company, water company, the container ships come in. You can even get a cruise ship in there, actually, but they're pretty rare. And off in the distance, the island of Anguilla,
Over there.
British island.
There's a container ship coming in. we have a cannon up there.
Yeah, cannons all over.
Colors. This is the Marigot Marina. And then over there you see the lagoon. There is one access on the Dutch side and one access on the French side to get into the lagoon.
Yeah, guys, of course, a reminder, St. Martin is 2 different countries, split down the middle. The line goes straight through that lagoon, so we're on the French side. You can see on the Dutch side over there on the other side of the lagoon.
That hill in the center of the lagoon, that would still be French, and then right
French.
behind it is like the border, the line. Let's go to the cannon first and then to the top. Yes. Do you think that's lava rock? It's really dark.
I suppose. That I don't know. It's dark.
Well, okay, they headed over to the cannon, then let's head up to the top. It's cool, we're pretty much the only ones besides that couple over there. Then we have a yogi over there. We don't want to disturb him.
This is where I come every day. On a clearer day, you can see the island of Saba. Saba. straight off that way. Can't see it today. It's kind of a little hazy.
So you cannot see St. Bart's from here, Saint-Barthélemy, because it would be behind the mountains.
Yeah, it'd be behind the hills there.
They are leaving now. It's just us and the yogi.
Always a good breeze up here.
It's nice. One day we'll try to do a sunset live stream from here. But we might have to bring up some equipment to do that. Well guys, I think we're going to leave you here because I would like to use both hands to get back down here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more from St. Martin, Saint-Martin. Take care everybody.